Morning students, this is class 11th maths, lecture 3rd of chapter 7th from the book Exemplar. Today we will discuss long answer type questions. So question number 21st is 18 mice were placed into 2 experimental groups and 1 control group. With all groups equally large, in how many ways can the mice be placed into 3 groups? Now see, there are total mice 18 and we have to make 3 groups which are equally large. That is, each group will contain 6 mice, right? They are asking the number of ways. So for the first group, we want 6 mice and the options are 18. So it can be done in 18C 6 ways into. Now for the second group, options left are out of 18, 6 we have already selected. Therefore options left are 12. And for the second group we want to select 6 mice into. Now for the third group, how many options are left? Out of 12, again we have selected 6. So 6 mice were left. And also for the third group we want 6 mice which can be selected in 6C 6 ways, right? You have to write it properly in the statements. I have written it like this. Now solve these combinations. You'll get the answer as 18 factorial divided by 6 factorial whole cube. Now question 22nd is, a bag contains 6 white marbles and 5 red marbles. Find the number of ways in which 4 marbles can be drawn from the bag. First is if they can be of any color. Now in the question they have said that in a bag 6 white marbles and 5 red marbles. Total marbles are 11. We have to select 4. The first case is such that they can be of any color. That is, out of 11 we want to select 4 because there is no condition. So 11C 4 will be the answer. Now in the second case they have asked 2 white and 2 red. So whites are 6, out of which we want 2, which can be done in 6C 2 ways into 5 red are there and we want to select 2 red, which can be done in 5C 2 ways, right? Next is all of the same color. That is either all whites or all reds, right? So there are 2 cases. First case is if either all are white. Then out of 6 we have to select 4, which can be done in 6C 4 ways. Plus the second case is if all are red. Then 5C 4. Clear? Question number 23rd is, in how many ways can a football team of 11 players be selected from 16 players? First of all they have asked in how many ways we can select a team of 11 players from the 16 players. So from 16 we want to select 11, which can be done in 16C 11 ways, right? Now they have asked in how many ways it can be done so that it include 2 particular players. That is, out of 16 we have to include 2 particular players and rest are 14 players, right? So we have to select 11. We have to select these 2 and from these 14 we will select only 9 because 9 plus 2 is 11, right? So it can be done in 2C2 into 14C 9 ways, right? In the next case they have asked exclude 2 particular players. That is, these 2 particular players will never be selected. So these are 2, rest are 14. We don't have to select these 2. So we will select all the 11 players from these rest 14 players, which can be done in 14C 11 ways. Is it clear? Question number 24th is, a sports team of 11 students is to be constituted, choosing at least 5 from class 11th and at least 5 from class 12th. If there are 20 students in each of these classes, in how many ways can the team be constituted? Now see, in both the class there are 20 students. We have to make a team of 11, selecting at least 5 from each of the class, right? So the first case can be if we select 5 students from class 11th, then we have to select 6 students from class 12th. And the second case is if we select 6 students from class 11th, then we have to select 5 from class 12th. There will be no other case. Suppose if I select 7 from class 11th, then out of 11 only 4 are left, which is to be selected from class 12th, but we cannot do this because they have said we have to select at least 5 from each class, right? Now for this case, number of ways will be 20C5 into 20C6, and for this case 20C6 into 20C5. These are different cases, so add the results of these cases. So you will get 2 into 20C5 into 20C6. Now question number 25th is, a group consists of 4 girls and 7 boys. In how many ways can a team of 5 members be selected if the team has no girls? We have to select a team of 5. There are 4 girls and 7 boys. The first case is, in how many ways can the selection be done if there is no girl? That is, all the team members should be boys. So out of 7 we have to select 5, which can be done in the way 7C5. Next is at least 1 boy and 1 girl. So there will be different cases. Suppose there is 1 boy, then 4 girls because we want to select 5. If there is 2 boys, then 3 girls, 3 boys, then 2 girls, and 4 boys, then 1 girl. No next case. If suppose I select 5 boys, then there will be 0 girls because we want to select only 5 students, right? So if I select 5 boys, then there will be 0 girl, which will not be considered because it is given at least 1 boy and at least 1 girl. So these are the cases. Selection for the first case can be done in 7C1 into 4C4 ways. Now out of 7 selecting 2 boys, 7C2 into, out of 4 selecting 3 girls, 4C3. Similarly, you'll get this. Calculate the values, you'll get these as the values, add them to get the answer, which will be 441, right? Now the third part is at least 3 girls. We have to select 5 members such that there are at least 3 girls. So first case is, if I take 3 girls, then 2 boys, or if I select 4 girls, then 1 boy. There will be no other case. Why? Because there are 4 girls. So we have taken this case. Now we cannot choose 5 girls as there are 4 girls which are given in the question, right? So for this case, the options will be, out of 4 girls selecting 3, 4C3 into, out of 7 boys selecting 2, so 7C2, plus result of the second case will be, out of 4 girls selecting all the 4 into, out of 7 boys selecting 1 boy, that is 7C1. Solve these and you'll get the answer as 91. Now your today's homework is that you have to do question 1st to 10th of chapter 3rd, that is trigonometric functions, from the book Exemplar only. Okay, thank you.